Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 18th, 2019, and I'm going to be showing you how to start Nigella, which is also known as Love in a Mist, from seed. Now this is what Nigella blooms look like, and you can see this one here is pretty much spent, so it has the seed pod starting. And you can see some more blooms here. Now there are some white varieties. They're not blooming right now, just the blue one is. But you can see what the seed pods here look like. And I'm going to be starting these in the greenhouse. This is one that's just starting to open. Now, one thing I do want to add about Nigella. Nigella is very toxic. All parts of the plant are poisonous. So you want to be very careful if you have like children or small children around or pets. That's something you really got to watch out for with this particular plant. So I just want to make sure that I did tell you that, because even in the book where I got the seeds from, it even states that this plant, all parts of the plant, is poisonous and toxic. Okay, so this is what Nigella seeds look like here. And this is the Miss Jekyll mix. So I already have my tag here and I have it labeled. And I'll have a link down in the description for these tags. And I'm using the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I will have a link down in the description for that as well. And now the first ones that I showed you, those were actually started indoors. And I started them in like little 6-packs and 4-packs. And I did transplant them to larger 6 cells. And then I moved them out to the greenhouse. And now I have read some different places where these don't like to be transplanted, but I did not have an issue with that. So you can see what the seeds look like here. Now I'm probably going to do 1 seed per cell. And I will have a link down in the description for a video for how I mix my seed starting mix. And you do need to cover these, so I'm just going to put a light covering over top of these. Now you can direct seed these out before last frost, but my seeds were pre-chilled. I keep my seeds in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag, and then I chill them before I plant them. So, whoops, I missed. Now, what I've learned from these is the germination on these can be sporadic. Some of mine actually took over a month to come up. So, don't give up on them if you don't see them coming up right away. Give them some time to come up and germinate. And it did take them a little while on some of them to come up. Okay, I'm just going to use the eyedropper here because I can't get the spray bottle to work. I'm just going to make sure that this gets all nice and moist here, and that the seeds get moist. Now you can do what they call successive sowing with these, where to get like a continuous supply of them, you sow them every couple of weeks. This was my first year growing these, so I wasn't quite sure what they would look like. So I only had planted like 1 or 2 batches of them. This is my 3rd batch here. And I'm going to put these in the greenhouse, and I will show you a Nigella seedling that I already have growing. So I'll be right back. So I moved this over here in with some of the other plants, and I'll just wait for these to germinate then. And I will show you a Nigella seedling that I already do have growing, so I'll be right back. So this is one of my Nigella seedlings that I do have growing, and it has like the foliage almost reminds me of like a Cosmo, because it has kind of the same foliage as a Cosmo. Now This does get fed as soon as it starts getting its true leaves. These get fed once a week with Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. I do 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food to a gallon of water. And I always make sure that my root system on my plants is nice and moist before I feed them, because I don't want to burn the root systems on them. So as my other plants continue to grow, I will come back with more videos and I will show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.